Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dr. Carol and my two fellows, Mr. Lolo, say hi,
Hi.
Mr. Lolo, and Mr. Hammy, say hi, Mr. Hammy.
Hi.
Okay, we are ready for our experiment, the baking soda and vinegar volcano. Mr. Lolo, please, could you tell us what do we need for our experiment?
We need some
Okay.
vinegar and
Vinegar.
some
This is a bottle of
vinegar.
vinegar. Then
a cup.
okay,
container,
very well. And then
and
1 and 2 spoonful of Emmy of what?
of
Baking soda. Very well. But first of all, we have to protect our furniture. So we need a plastic here and some newspaper.
here.
Okay, very well. So, Mr. Lolo, what shall we do now?
We need to put the vinegar
Well,
in the container.
okay, fantastic. Not too much, not too much, not too much. Okay. And then,
We need to put 2 spoons
okay,
of baking
take your spoons, please. Okay, on your marks, get set, go!
like this.
Fantastic experiment. Very well. Okay. Say goodbye, Mr. Amy.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Mr. Lolo.
Bye.
Goodbye and thank you.